G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to CDP Outdoors. As most of us know, you're not meant to use windshields around your gas burners and the gas canister. But I found this made by Optimus, which is a clip-on windshield. And it's simple to use. Let me show you first. There's your gas cylinder. You have the ring around here, and we just simply clip it on. There. Let's set up the old gas burner on there so you can have a better look. And let's put this on it to make it more stable. One. In the paperwork, Optimus recommend that you use only their gas burners, which I don't have, so I'll be using the BRS today, just to show you. One thing you are going to have to take care of is when you're putting this on, having your tap pointing out. So we'll be doing it like this. Done. Now you can see there's your tap to turn your gas on and off. Nice little design. We have the bottom here which helps stop the heat of the flame hitting onto your gas cylinder, still allowing all the air around your cylinder to keep it cool. So let's show you what fits on here. This is my little 450, if I remember right, my 450. Sits comfortably in there. My fry pan off the top of my Totes 1100 sits in there. Not very stable on the little burner. That's it, turn it that way. And we also have the Totes Titanium 1100ml pot also, it sits in there nice. And a good part about this, the handles fit over the side, which helps keep them cool because the flames aren't coming directly up onto it. Let's give this a go now. I'm going to use the largest pot. Let's put some water in. Measure out for a cup of coffee. So I'd estimate it's about 400ml. You get an idea how long it takes. Let's put the stopwatch on if I can find it. There we go. Let's get this lit. I've got the wind coming from behind, so it'll be an ideal test. pot on. Turn it up and press the start button. Control burn. This is at 8:30 AM in the morning. Still beautiful. So it's just beginning to warm up. I don't know if you can see in the background there. Smoke is beginning to clear from the controlled burns overnight. This actual setup I've got at the moment with the Topes Titanium 1100mm pot with a little frying pan, lid. I'll be doing a review on a little bit later. I've got a few more videos I've got lined up to do first. I just thought this would be a good one to show people. The canister still feeling nice and cool. Let's turn it up. A better test. It's been 1.5 minutes in this little stove now. The Optimus wind guard. It's 2 minutes now. Yeah, all the bubbles coming in the bottom now. As you saw me put the little tripod stand on the bottom. Really takes a little bit of weight and then the height. I'd recommend using one. It's a lot more stable on all the uneven ground, safer. Come up to 3 minutes. And remembering I've only got this on low, I haven't got it up on the highest it will go. Sounds like the gas is running out. Yep. There's still 3.5 minutes and we've just got the bubbles coming to the top. Yeah. Yep, the gas is just running out. So it had just enough to make it warm enough for a coffee. And to show you this. Let's make that safe. So here we go. That went on easy. I went to the local office store, or office supply store, and I invested 19 Australia, well, just short of 20 Australian dollars, and got 250 more coffee sachets. These were the cheapest. Don't normally like the instant coffee. Yeah. Better than nothing, I hope. Let that dry out. I'll put all the weights and everything of this onto the screen when I get home, because I didn't weigh it. But just on its own, good little bit of kit. Yeah. Actually bought it from Wild Earth. And like I said, it fits the 1100mm Toaks titanium pot. And it all nests in nice together, so you're not going to be taking up much more room in your pack with this. I don't think you'll take up anything that you notice anyway. So I hope this video has been useful to you. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you are, thank you very much. So, until the next video, get out there, have some fun, and take care.